Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the absolute beast that is the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, the ultimate American supercar that's here to dominate everything in its path. This isn't just another Corvette, this is the king of the hill, the most powerful production Vet ever built, and a true symbol of American engineering muscle. If you're a fan of raw power, insane performance, and that iconic Corvette heritage, hit that like button right now and let's get into it. First off, let's talk about what makes the 2026 ZR1 so special. Chevrolet took the already revolutionary mid-engine C8 platform and cranked it to 11 with the new LT7 engine, a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 that pumps out an unbelievable 1,064 horsepower and 828 pound-feet of torque. That's right, over 1,000 horsepower from a naturally aspirated, twin-turbocharged American 5.8. This is the most powerful V8 ever put in a production car by an American manufacturer, and it's hand-assembled in Bowling Green, Kentucky. But Chevy didn't stop there. There's also the ZR1X variant, the electrified hypercar version that adds a front electric drive unit for all-wheel drive and bumps the total output to a mind-blowing 1,250 horsepower. Instant torque from the electric motor combined with that turbo V8 fury makes the ZR1X even quicker off the line. We're talking estimated 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds and quarter-mile times dipping into the 8S. This thing is built to embarrass million-dollar exotics while wearing the Corvette badge proudly. Now, let's look at the design. The 2026 ZR1 is aggressive and purposeful. Wide-body fenders, massive air intakes on the sides, a flow-through hood for better cooling, and that massive carbon fiber rear wing on the ZTK package. It generates over 1,200 pounds of downforce, making it the downforce king among production cars. You can get it as a coupe or convertible, and with options like the carbon aero package, it looks ready to conquer the track straight from the factory. Colors like torch red, competition yellow, or the new blade silver metallic make it pop, and those Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires wrapped around carbon fiber wheels grip like crazy. Step inside, and the 2026 updates shine. The interior got a major refresh with a cleaner layout, no more climate control while dividing the driver and passenger. You've got a curved digital display setup, a bigger infotainment screen, and premium materials everywhere. On higher trims like 3LZ, you get Napa leather, carbon fiber accents, and even wild new colorways, think asymmetrical red and black for that race-inspired vibe, or habanero pops against cool grays. It's luxurious yet driver-focused, with competition seats that hug you during hard cornering and all the tech you need, like the performance data recorder to capture your track laps. Performance-wise, this car is on another level. With the standard setup, it hits 0 to 60 in about 2.3 seconds and tops out over 230 miles per hour with the low drag kit. Add the ZTK package for track dominance, upgraded brakes with massive carbon ceramics, magnetic ride suspension tuned for ultimate handling, and Michelin tires that stick like glue. Chevy's engineers took it to the Nürburgring and set records, proving it's not just straight line fast but a corner-carving monster too. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts lightning quick, and modes like Tour, Sport, Track, and the new PTM Pro let you dial in exactly how wild you want it. What I love most is how this represents pure American grit. While European supercars chase hybrid tech and sky-high prices, Chevy delivers supercars slaying performance for a fraction of the cost, starting around $180,000 for the ZR1, making it an insane value. It's built in America, for America, but ready to take on the world. The Corvette has always been about democratizing speed, and the 2026 ZR1 takes that to the extreme. Imagine blasting down a back road, turbos spooling up, that flat plane crank howl filling the air as you hit triple-digit speeds in seconds. Or dropping the top on the convertible, feeling the wind while 1,064 horses weight under your right foot. This is freedom on wheels, the American dream in carbon fiber and turbocharged glory. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, the order books are hot, so act fast. The ZR1X is the pinnacle, but even the standard ZR1 feels like a hypercar. Chevy has outdone themselves, proving once again why the Corvette is America's sports car icon. What do you think? Is the 2026 ZR1 the greatest Corvette ever? Would you go for the rear-drive ZR1 or the all-wheel drive ZR1X? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, subscribe for more epic car content, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, stay fast, Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.